Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into LastPass for improved account security, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in lastpass.com and press enter. Once the page loads, look for the login button located at the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed to the login page. You will see two fields, one for your email address and one for your master password. Enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, type your master password into the password field. Make sure to double-check your entries for accuracy. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, you will be prompted to enter a code sent to your device. Follow the instructions to input the code. After all information is entered, click on the Login button. Wait a few moments while your credentials are verified. Once logged in, you will be taken to your LastPass vault. Here, you can manage your passwords and other secure notes. If you encounter any issues, check if your internet connection is stable. If you forget your master password, click on the Forgot Password link for recovery options. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password if necessary. Congratulations, you are now logged into LastPass for improved account security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.